In this video, we will learn how to add vertical tabs in Microsoft Edge browser. So let's start. Open your Microsoft Edge browser, and here I'm going to search something. So I search here the news today, then I add here the tab, then I search again the different thing, health related, then add here the one tabs, and I search here the match live. Okay, then I add here the one more tab and click on the Kotak Life Workplace, and these are the four tabs I added in my Microsoft Edge browser. I just right click of the mouse and click on the turn on vertical tabs. Just click on it, and here you see the all tabs is turned on in vertical tab. Okay, now you can easily use here the left hand side, and you can operate, you can jump with the one tab to another tab quickly, and you can add here the new tab also. Okay, and if you want to convert again the horizontal, just right click of the mouse and click on turn off the vertical tabs, and here you can see the vertical tabs is turned off. Okay, so this is a way you can use the vertical tabs in Microsoft Edge browser. So hope you understand. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much.